Silky Bee.
Honor Magic 5 Pro, a flagship phone, just launched before few days. Fast refresh rate, quad-core OLED display, a flagship processor, 50 megapixel flagship camera sensor, superb in design, huge battery and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the Honor Magic 5 Pro, just launched in MWC 2023. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. The box is black with the Honor branding in gold letters and the Magic OS logo below it. Inside we find a transparent phone case, a power adapter that can charge the phone super fast at 66 watt, some documentations and standard USB-A cable. The power adapter does not support the PD interface, but instead it has a private protocol now. We remove the film and examine the front of the phone. The phone still has a noticeable curvature, especially in the Honor series, which is what the Magic series is known for. The quad-core design of the phone means that the surface on the both side and the top and bottom have curved edges. When light hits the phone, you can see and feel the changes in the surfaces. This type of design is not very common in the market, as there aren't many models that are designed this way. The Magic generation of the phone began using this design, which has since undergone improvements and adjustments. The design is no longer as exaggerated and the original, but the benefits are still noticeable, particularly at the bottom when the swiping up and the dragging down in the top. The phone has a pill-shaped hole in the front. Let's now take a look at the back of the phone. The design is easily recognizable, with a large circular module in the center that houses 3 lenses, which remind us of the popular 3-body problem. There are also 2 openings for the sensor and the 2 color temperature flashes. The back of the phone has an edgy frosted glass finish with the Honor logo highlighted at the bottom. The side lens has a raised part that bulges out slightly, but it is moderated by the upward extension. There is a separate decorative circle around the lenses. The volume key and the power key antenna on the right side with a highlighted border material. The top of the phone has a symmetrical speaker and the infrared sensor. On the bottom you will find the SIM card slot and the microphone on the same side. Be careful not to plug in it on the side. This is a microphone, it may damage the phone. This is dual SIM card slot stacked. Where is the border section? There will be a waterproof red strip. The phone weight is 223 grams, which is one of the heaviest side, but this is common among the flagship phones for various companies. The weight is due to the phone's big size and the powerful features. If you put a protective case on the phone, the appearance may change slightly. The phone has a high screen to body ratio with the narrow left and right borders, slightly wider bottom border, and the large R angle. There is a cutout on the top left over the dual lens. The screen has a diamond shaped pixel arrangements and there is a reading mode that turns the screen gray. There are 3 levels of resolution from the lowest 2136 by 984 to maximum 2848 by 1312. The refresh rate section is also a 3 gears, 90, 120 and the lowest 60 refresh rate to help save power. There are also optimal enhancement for the video quality and the frame rate boosting. The dual cutout on the top can be hidden from the certain apps and the current display stack is shown on the desktop. Fingerprint recognition area is located on the screen center down position. No problem unlocking. Let's take a look at the face unlock. Now let's talk about the camera on the Honor Magic 5 Pro phone. It has 3 cameras that are arranged in the triangular shape. The top camera is a periscope camera, while the main and ultra-wide camera are at the bottom. All 3 cameras uses a 50 megapixel sensor. The main camera is especially interesting because it has a large sensor that last year models and a wider aperture. This means it can take better photos in the low light condition. The camera also has optical image stabilization, which helps reduce the blur in photo when taking pictures with shaky hands. The Honor Magic 5 Pro phone is powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is a powerful and a high performance chip. The phone comes with 12 gigs of LPDDR5X memory and 512 gigs of storage, which is quite generous. Honor has included some unique features in this phone, such as a special display chipset that always render video in HDR10+ and can convert 30 fps content to 60 fps. The phone also has a security system that was developed in the collaboration with the Qualcomm to keep you personal data and biometric information safe. The Honor Magic 5 Pro phone has a battery that can charge very quickly. However, this year's charging speed are slightly slower than the last year's model. The phone can be charged with the wired at 66 watt and wirelessly at 50 watt. The battery capacity has been increased from 4600 mAh to 5000 mAh, which means the phone can last longer between charges. The phone comes with a 66 watt supercharge adapter including in the box to make the charging fast and easy. The Honor Magic 5 Pro phone will be available from purchase in the second quarter of the year between April and June. It will cost around 1200 euros or about $1200 or 1055 pounds, which has a 12 gigs of memory and 512 gigs of storage. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, means signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.